Hi, on today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what a landing page is and how a landing page is different from a website and why you should be using a landing page instead of a website in your digital marketing for your law firm and your legal practice. My name is Richard Martindale. I've been an attorney for over 25 years and a digital marketing expert for over 10 years. I've combined both of those skills now to teach attorneys and law firms how to do digital marketing on the internet. And I want to use today's video to explain one of the basic terms that you may have heard about, which is a landing page. Let's get right into the slides so you can understand and go through exactly what a landing page is. Now, when you think about your marketing as an attorney or a law firm, a lot of people think about, going to networking, passing out business cards. But when you think about how people find you as an attorney, sometimes it is that way. You meet somebody in person, you have a relationship, you connect with them and you hand them a business card to give them information. Or with regard to digital marketing and online marketing, oftentimes people will do searches and find you either through Google or Facebook or YouTube or whatever platforms that you're using to market your firm online. So you want to think about, what is that first impression that a potential client gets of you and your law firm online? And you want to make sure you are directing those prospects to a specific page, and they're not just going to your website in general, because oftentimes a website, somebody will get lost and they won't have a particular call to action on what they should do. So with regard to your business card or even your searches, you need to think about, what's the clear path that you want to give a prospective client when they are finding you, and especially finding you online? And in my opinion, you want to use landing pages on your business cards, in your online marketing, and those landing pages are specific pages where you are directing people in order to get the best information about you quickly, and you have a clear call to action on what you want that prospective clients to do. So let's just talk about digital marketing. I know we've talked a little bit about networking and business cards, but let's talk about digital marketing. And most people will find you or your law firm, if they don't have any connection with you whatsoever, through something like a Google search. So if you're seeing the slides, you'll see that this is a Google website and a search engine. And what Google will do is people will type in phrases, and here's an example phrase like, find an attorney near me. Now you see, when I typed this in, this is a screenshot. So when I typed in find an attorney near me, Google automatically puts in and autofills some common searches that happen on Google. So if you're ever wondering, what do people near you search for? Just go to Google and you can type in some keywords related to your law firm or your law practice, and Google will tell you generally what people are searching for. So as you see in this example, when I typed in find an attorney near me, that was one of the autofills, but then there's obviously find an estate planning attorney near me, find a divorce attorney near me, find a immigration attorney near me. So there's all kinds of autofills that will go into Google, and that's a good way for you to research and see what people are finding and what people are searching for. But when we go to the next slide, I'll show you that I clicked on how to find a divorce attorney near me, just to use that as one example. And this is a sample page that will pop up, and the search results will pop up from Google. And as you see from this photo, this screenshot shows there were 3 ads at the top of the search results. So what does that tell you? That tells you that the people and the law firms who are paying the most, who are advertising, who are paying Google to show up at the top of the search results. Those are the ones who are probably getting the most traffic from these phrases that people are typing in. So you need to think about that from the standpoint of your digital marketing. Are you using paid advertising like Google AdWords and Facebook ads or LinkedIn ads to drive traffic to your law firm and your website? Well, if you're not, you're probably losing a lot of leads and a lot of traffic. Now, with regard to this in particular and dealing with landing pages, when someone gets to a Google search page like this, they're going to probably click one of these links. So if they click this first link, what we recommend, if you're using Google Ads and Facebook ads, you want to drive that traffic to a particular landing page, and a landing page that is geared and tied to whatever that search result was. So if it's find a divorce attorney near me, and let's say you run a firm where maybe family law is just one of your practice areas. Maybe you do bankruptcy, maybe you do estate planning. But if it's someone searching for a divorce attorney, when they click that link, you don't want them just going to your general website homepage, because they're going to be lost. They're going to see, oh, well, this firm does family law, bankruptcy law, estate planning. They're going to see this and they're going to get confused. And what you don't want to happen is you don't want prospects to feel like they're in a maze. You want them to have a clear path on what they're supposed to do. So that's why a landing page, which is just can be a particular page within your website, but it's a page, it's called a landing page because it's a page that traffic and people and prospects will land on when they're doing searching on Google, or if you give it to them on your business card that says, divorce attorney, and you have a particular page in your website that you want someone to go to. It's where they get the information specific to that topic, and they have a clear path. So as you see from these two pictures, think about, does your prospect land on a general website where they feel like they're in a maze, they don't know where to turn next, or do they land on this clear path that walks them through? And let me show you an example of a website versus a landing page. So on the left, you'll see a screenshot of BakerBot's homepage. This is just a homepage that shows across the top, there are different tabs that people can click on, different links under there. There's a lot of different things that someone can do. And if they landed on this homepage from a Google search, it's not going to be tied to that specific search. It's not going to be clear on the path that you want to take. But on the right, you'll see a landing page that is related to divorce law and family law, and it has an ebook that invites the prospective client to download if they're interested in knowing what to do before filing a divorce. So you can see the clear path. If someone searched for a divorce attorney near me and they landed on the page on the left, they'd be like, okay, I'm not really sure if this relates to what I'm looking for or not. But if they landed on the right, they would say, hey, this page clearly has to do with divorce attorneys, filing divorce. It gives me a great resource to download so that I know what to do before I file a divorce. And if somebody, when somebody as a prospect clicks through, downloads this, then that law firm would have that contact information, be able to follow up, and it would automatically take them to the next page that gives more information about the firm, invites them to contact, either call or fill out a form to tell them more about the case. Whatever you want that client or prospective client to do, that's where you can use a landing page and give someone a clear path on what they should do. So think about it from the standpoint of website versus landing page. A website is general, very attorney specific. Oftentimes on a website, attorneys and law firms will put their accolades and awards. It's confusing sometimes. but it is very informational, gives a prospective person information about the client. But a landing page is specific. It's driven toward what that client is looking for. It's clear, and it gives them an action step to take. So that's what you want to think about when you're trying to contrast in your mind, what's the difference between a landing page and a website? If you can think about these things and get this clear delineation in your mind, that a website is kind of all the information about your firm, all the pages, everything combined, whereas a landing page is a specific page that you're directing traffic to, that you're using to do marketing and to attract your ideal client so you can get them in the door as an actual client who's going to start paying your bills, because that's what it's all about. So think about from the standpoint of what do you want that prospect to do? Do you want to make it clear? Do you want to give them an easy path to walk? A path where they're going to be smiling and looking at your landing page and knowing, hey, this attorney, this law firm knows exactly what I want, exactly what I need? Or is it going to be confusing and a maze that they're not going to know what to do? Now, if you'd like a resource to show you exactly how you can do this with your law firm, I want you to go to this link that I'm giving you here. And this resource is also in the links below this video. If you're on YouTube, you'll find the resource down below. If you're on Facebook or another platform, we'll put it in the comments so you can have it. But this is an ebook where you can go, you can see a landing page, you can download this ebook, and it gives you a clear way to set up, using 3 simple tools, how to set up a landing page, tie it into your appointments calendar, and then tie it into Zoom so that you can easily set up new appointments with clients right on your calendar, whether you're sleeping on the golf course or having dinner with your family. It's a great tool for automation, and it shows you an example of how you can use landing pages to start doing better online marketing for your law firm. I hope you've enjoyed this video. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please click like on Facebook or subscribe to our channel on YouTube. We'd love to hear from you in the comments as well, and get some feedback from you if these are the types of videos you like to see. And we'd love to have ideas from you as far as what you want to see in future videos. We come to you live at 5 every day, and I'm Richard Martindale signing off, and I hope you have a blessed day.